Finding your niche is crucial in food vlogging. Whether it's street food adventures or healthy recipes, a specific theme attracts a targeted audience. Next, invest in quality content. A good smartphone or budget DSLR, proper lighting, and a lapel mic can elevate your videos. Don't forget to edit with tools like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut for that polished look. Engaging titles and eye-catching thumbnails are key. Think of something like Bangladesh's spiciest street food challenge to spark curiosity. Authenticity matters too. Share your honest opinions and personal stories to connect with viewers. Finally, post consistently, maybe 1 to 2 videos a week, and engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage them to share their favorite dishes. Collaborating with local food businesses or fellow vloggers can also bring fresh ideas and mutual promotion.